Hey guys, welcome back. This is Miss Pink's MC here with another DIY video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lens for your license plate. This is my favorite website to use when I'm looking up part numbers so that I can provide them to the dealership or when I'm looking on eBay. This costs about $7 pre-tax. I've seen on eBay some sellers sell it for $14, some for $24, and that is insane in the membrane. Okay, so moving on. What you're going to do is you will push to the right on this lens because on the left side you have a metal clip that keeps it locked in. Once it's popped out, you can replace the bulb if you need to. For me, all I needed to do was replace the lens since mine have yellowed, and it's the same process putting it back in. Alright, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a very short video. I didn't get to show you myself removing the damn thing, but it's very simple to remove the lens. You guys got it. I believe in you, okay? Okay.
Ya sabía que yo soy cabrón.
You got it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.